Dr. Asif, thank you very much for giving us this opportunity and introducing us to a friend like Congressman Adam Schiff. Thank you, Congressman, for your call yesterday. We had a detailed discussion on whatever is going on in Pakistan. But you asked one question at the end, and to answer your question better, I would say that, Imran Khan during last 2-3 years was representative, actually effectively misrepresented here in the Washington, D.C. So what happened was there was a smoke screen created on the heels of vote of no confidence, and also, contents of the cipher that was also attributed towards the U.S. official. But, the Imran Khan, the fallen government of Imran Khan, they took those contents of cipher off the face value. But as the time passed, through the substantial fact-finding revealed that, the real genesis of that conspiracy that was homegrown. But, leaving everything behind, we the Pakistani Americans, the Pakistani community here, we believe and we stand with the true and the strong relationship not only among the people but also between the governments of the United States and Pakistan. And that's what Prime Minister Imran Khan, Chairman Imran Khan, has been telling in all his latest statements. He has been saying that Pakistan and U.S. relationship are the most important relationship, U.S. being the largest trading partner of Pakistan. As well, Imran Khan has said multiple times that I'm not anti-American, I'm pro-Pakistani. All I always ask for is that, allow Pakistan to have the same luxury that other countries have to stay neutral in the world conflicts. And he said that that's the only thing his advisor on overseas affairs. I'm saying once again, Imran Khan is not anti-West or anti-America. He's just pro-Pakistani. He's studied in the West. He's Oxford graduate. He understands the West more than anyone else. So that's the message I want to give it to you. Besides that, we have already discussed about all the human rights violations that's been happening, the anti-democratic actions that the current regime is taking, and we had a detailed discussion on that. Thank you very much.
Thank you. When I got to Congress, after the first year I was in Congress, I kind of took stock of how the institution was. And one of the things that was very apparent is the House of Representatives is a very big place, 435 of us. And if you didn't figure out where you could add value, you could easily spend a long time there and never make a difference in any way. And what I decided early on was that there was a real need for people in the Democratic Party to understand foreign policy and national security. And I used to use the example of Sam Nunn, who became expert in those issues and came to be relied upon by people in both parties, and that's what I set about to do. And I still think there's a dearth of people in the party who are deeply immersed in these issues, and I enjoy them and I find them fascinating and important. And Pakistan is obviously a hugely important country in a very challenging region. It's a nuclear power, and it is on the front lines of the fight for democracy. I'm deeply concerned and worried about the developments over the last year or so. I don't know if you have thoughts about what's likely to happen in Punjab and the timing of elections and the situation with the Supreme Court, but I'd be very interested in your thoughts on it. For a long time, and these concerns have only grown more prevalent, I've been worried about human rights in Pakistan. There's been a long tradition, which has, I think, become worse, of forced disappearances, extrajudicial killings, suppression of speech, and the United States needs to be a powerful advocate for our values and for human rights, and that needs to always be on the table when we're in conversations with other countries. So look forward to understanding your perspective more and working closely with the community so I understand exactly what's happening and how the United States can be helpful.
Thank you, Congressman.